Hi, I'm Kelly Farrell. I'm a service advisor here at Mercedes-Benz of Bend. Born in Salinas, California, I moved to Bend in 2007. I started as a service technician at a tire shop, worked my way up to being a service advisor here now. Applying for this job and getting it has been the best thing that's happened to me for my career. Very family oriented, not only in this store, but the company as a whole. My first task is getting all the cars out, go through our appointments that we have for the day. As cars start to come in, they get dispatched out to different technicians, making sure the work is getting done, but at the same time, we have a lot of fun here.
Kendall, let's start something great.